Grabe, sinisipon na ako, bro. Okay, let's go, let's go. Grabe. When I was young, I thought it's so good to live in the fridge, but I can't. I can't. Real snow. For the first time. First time to see a snow, bro. First time to see a snow. Pero according to the rules, bawal daw magpunta ng snow. This dude is not a snowman, he's an iceman, bro. So, bawal daw hawakan to. Gusto ko lang subukang hawakan tong ice. Okay, numb na ang aking lalabas na yung aking mag-ina kasi hindi na daw nila kaya. Instant blur ang aking camera. Sobrang namawi sa ating grabe ah. Really? Ito yung mga shoes dito. Hindi mo makita. Ito yung mga shoes. So nagpapa-init lang kami ng konti dito sa labas. It's too cold inside there. And pwede pa palang bumalik guys. So baka babalik pa kami one more round.
Ay, hindi na sobra yung pag-i-slide. Siya lang yung nakakapag-slide ng maayos.
Kailangan ko nang itago yung kamay ko. Sobrang hindi ko kinaya kanina. Just like this one. Yeah. Come on. So yun na pala yun. It's not very long. So ito na sa. Pala kumuha ng ganyan.